Good morning. I am K. Palnivil, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. Today, we are going to the topic of the case study of wave equation based 3D SRMI. Surface SRME means surface related multiple elimination. Next, the subject of the case study is transforms and partial differential equation. Next, going to introduction. Introduction. In general, any two layers with high reflectivity can generate multiples, but most often it is the energy reverberating between the water bottom and the sea surface that manifests itself with the greatest strength and poses difficulties in marine seismic data processing. Therefore, one of the key issues in marine seismic data processing is addressing the issue of multiple, as they not only directly obscure primaries in the stack section but also suboptimal result in suboptimal imaging as the energy of the multiples gets smeared into target zones during immigration. Next, high resolution parabolic radar multiple technique is still the mainstay of marine demultiplying processing due to the relative time advantage and high degree of attention it provides, especially at large offsets. 3D SRME overcomes the 3D SRME overcomes the limitations of the radon demultiple and 2D SRME as it handles near offsets well and provides improved attenuation of out of plane reflected and diffracted multiples. Significant progress has been made in methods of dealing with this situation both by industry and academia. With growing compute power and innovative ideas, times to come, there would be a paradigm shift in terms of using multiples energy in imaging rather than considering it as noise. Until then, 3D SRME means already told, would continue to be the chosen method to address surface related multiple attenuation for marine seismic data processing. Next one, SRME SRME techniques. Generally, SRME techniques use a two-pass approach, namely modeling and adaptive subtraction. This work uses wave field extrapolation based algorithm for modeling the surface related multiples using a reflectivity model of the water bottom and the water velocity as a prior information. Water bottom and the water velocity as a prior information. The results of the application of 3D SRME, the results of the application of 3D SRME based the wave equation based multiple modeling to automate the surface, automate the surface related multiple. SRME means surface related multiple elimination as against a parabolic radon method has been presented. This is one is the SRMU techniques. Next one, methodology. Multiple removal methods can be classified into two broad categories based on a difference in move out behavior of primaries and multiples. Two behaviors, primaries one and multipliers, and based on periodicity and predictability based on periodicity and important one. This one based on periodicity and predictability. Filtering in the FK and radon transform domains fall under the first category, whereas Taupi domain, deconvolution, and SRME belong to the second category. The general approach of the methods based on predictivity and predictability is that of a building a multiple model and then the subtracting and multiple model from the input data to multiple obtain multiple free data. Therefore, the effectiveness of these methods directly depends on the model multiples and the subtraction technique used 3D SRME stand out as the most effective method for better handling of surface related multiples in comparison to other methods. Next one, multiple modeling. The process of multiple model building part of 3D SRME can be implemented in two ways: by convolution of multiple contribution gathers or by modeling multiples using wave field extrapolation. Based on the acoustic wave equation, both the convolution method and the wave field extrapolation methods are briefly described below. Convolution based modeling. First one is see the diagram also. Convolution based model. First one the receiver, next one is PDS, and the source also given in the diagram and the waveform. In this approach, for every short receiver pair, a model trace is predicted by convolving the common short gather related to the given short point with the common receiver gather related to the given receiver point in the diagram. For good quality results, the area extent of each multiple contribution gather must span a region that contains all of the downward reflection points for the surface multiples in the target trace. Also, each multiple contribution gather must be regularly sampled in each spatial direction with no allied tips. Also, this we see this diagram is the first order surface related multiple construction by combining one source gather of the data P and one receiver gather of the primary estimate, another one the piece diagonally. Ideally, this method requires that the source signatures are consistent of source and receiver are co-located and the seismic data is well sampled and completely acquired. However, this is hardly the case in actual marine data acquisition, mainly due to limitations of boat steering and cable feathering issues, apart from missing short contribution due to inherent limitations of marine acquisition geometry. To circumvent these acquisition inadequacies, data needs to be pre-processed for SRME and interpolation for missing shots and receivers, thereby increasing computational overheads and making the process compute intensive. This is convolution based modeling. Next one is wave equation based modeling. See this diagram also. A complementary method to 3D convolution based multiple prediction is wave equation based multiple prediction. This approach exploits downward and upward wave field extrapolation between the sea surface and the water bottom to predict water bottom multiples and peg legs based on previously produced near surface model. Gustav Kirchhoff have through the quantification of the process of predicting a wave field from existing measurements also given this diagram is. Next one is the see this diagram. This diagram is assuming source outside the closed surface S with the volume V. Kirchhoff integral implies the pressure P at any point A inside S can be calculated using the spatial response G when the wave field and its normal derivatives are known on the surface S. Thus given is in the diagram. Next diagram, configuration for which the closed surface integral can be replaced by the open surface integral. Closed surface integral can be replaced by the open surface integral. The lower half face is assumed to be the source free. This one is the one. Next one, case study. The case study is following this. The results of the application of 3D SRME discussed here is from KG Offsource of India. The data acquisition, the given diagram is the data acquisition employed is a conventional 3D marine geometry using 6 streams with 204 channels, each with 25 meter separation in flip-flop shooting mode. The bathymetry of the area in general varies from 100 meter to 750 meter. 3D SRME was carried out for each sail line after test and parameter optimization on test sail lines where the surface related multiples were predominant. This one is the case study. The location of the area of case study is given. See this diagram neatly given. Next one, schematic of the SRME processing sequence. The workflow followed is depicted in schematic diagram. The schematic diagram, the first one is, see this diagram, first one is time or depth migrate block. The first one, time or depth migrate block. First one is these two. Next one, extraction of a constant thickness layer. Extraction of a constant thickness layer surroundings sea floor for use in multiple model building. Next, the multiple model synthesis using wave extrapolation. Give the multiple model is give input short gathers, transformation of and spread short collection to split spread short collection also this to multiple model and give the output multiple model. This also joined the adaptive subtraction of multiple model from input data. Finally, we get demultipled data. Next one is workflow. Next one is workflow is given is the preconditioning of input short order gathers. Next, transforming preconditioned gathers to often gathers. Next one, extraction of a constant thickness layer surrounding the sea floor. Next, multiple model building. Next one, adaptive subtraction to obtained demultipled output. This is the workflow. The multiple model diagram is also given. See this diagram. We have to improve the case study. The input short data was pre-processed to attentional swell, noise and random noise and direct waves were muted. An anti-alias K filter was applied on the short gathers prior to multiple modeling. A stock section generated prior to application to 3D SRME shows the water bottom multiples clearly. Next one, clearly these figures, see this diagram. To avoid edge effect on the modeled short offsets and to improve quality by taking the contribution of the neighboring traces, and often short gather was transformed to a split spread gather. Traces are extrapolated to zero offset by constant velocity RNMO corrections. A migrated section was prepared for obtaining the earth reflectivity by just using a few near offset classes. The migration was targeted around the water bottom and a constant velocity of 1500 meter per second was used for migration. It is necessary to ensure that the region above the water bottom is noise free and full bandwidth is preserved to obtain as good an estimate of the sea bottom reflectivity as possible. The important parameters which have bearing on the accuracy and efficiency of multiple modeling were finalized after testing. The important parameters are the extension around the acquisition device to define the model limits for multiple model computation, maximum expected tips of the reflectors, the time extrapolation step, and the maximum frequency of the multiplies, the frequency of the multiples. The quality of the model obtained determines the degree of attenuation. Therefore, parameters need to be tested to obtain the optimal results in reasonable time. An aperture of 1.5 km each in line and cross line direction was chosen, and the maximum tip of 70° was used in the model building. The highest frequency of multiple energy used was 19 Hz. To avoid cross cable aliasing, cable interpolation is internally employed by the routine. SRME routine also. Generally, multiplied model was adaptively subtracted from the input short gathers to obtain d multiple short gathers in the figures on the surface areas. See this. Finally, the demultipled sort gathers were used to obtain the zero offset stack section to evaluate the results of S3D SRME. The same set of input short gathers were processed using high resolution of the results of 3D SRME. The same set of input shot gathers were processed using high resolution radon transform demultiple approach. 3D SRME gathers show the effective attenuation of multiple of near offsets with the probably radon applied gathers. Also, it can be seen that the application of radon demultiple on the 3D SRME gathers yield even better results as the radon demultiple effectively attenuate the multiple energy at mid and fair offsets. The stock sections in the surface areas, it is the following multiple figures diagrams are there. So comparison of the stock sections without any demultiple with that of radon demultiple 3D SRME and radon demultiple applied on 3D SRME results respectively. Next one. Next one, we are going to finally we are going to the conclusion part. 3D SRME can target multiplies with very little differential move out, such as Pecklek multiples, diffracted 3D multiples, and multiple energy residing on the near offset traces without severely affecting the primaries. Next one, the parabolic radon demultiple method. The parabolic radon demultiple method works well at mid to long offsets but has its limitations on near offsets or for complex and rugged water bottom 3D SRME based multiple removal techniques provide much better results at nearest offsets. These are the main things of the our conclusions parts. Significant progress has been made in methods of dealing with this situation both by industry and academias with growing the compute power innovative ideas in times to come. There could be the paradigm shift in terms of using the multiples energy and imaging rather than considering it as noise until the 3D SRME would contribute to the Chushan method to address surface layer multiple attenuation of marine seismic data processing. This is very useful to this one, this case study in the Scarfish of multiple C. Thank you. Thank you for your